Welcome to the back 40 feet. It is 4 days since I started my seedlings, and I'm coming down to check and see how they're doing, and it looks pretty productive. So over here I can see that my lettuce seeds have come up very nicely, and this one here that's called Rex is those pelleted seeds that I had shown in my last video. And here you can see I have 100% germination rate on those pelleted seeds, which has me very happy. Over here I have some other varieties of lettuce, and I can see that I have a couple of seeds planted in each of those pockets, and that's sort of going back to what the advantages of using the pelleted seeds. So what I'll end up doing is see which of these seedlings end up the strongest, and then I'll use the others for a nice microgreen salad. You can see that there's still three spots that have not sprouted yet, but that happens to be an heirloom romaine, so sometimes the heirlooms can be a little fussier when you're growing them. And I also had a very good germination rate here on my cauliflower, and same thing, I'm going to see which one ends up the strongest, and those two, the weaker seedlings, will end up in that microgreen salad. Then over here, let's check on my peppers. So it looks like I got some good germination on my St. Nick peppers, and over here I can see that my jalapeno peppers are going to be coming out of the ground soon. And here's some of my Hut Nick peppers. My serranos haven't sprouted yet, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. Some more jalapenos, and then surprisingly, this over here that's called Patio Baby is an eggplant, and they usually have very low germination rates. So I had put 3 seeds in there and all 3 sprouted, so we'll see what happens with that. These are not tasty for a microgreen salad. So I'm going to put the dome back on my peppers here so that they can stay nice and warm, which is what they prefer. And over here I'm going to leave my lettuce uncovered because they would like a colder temperature, so same with the cauliflower. Now that I'm done checking them, I've also made sure that the moisture is good. It's not too much in the pot, it's just enough. I'm going to have to keep a close eye on these for the next couple of days to make sure that the water is right. And I'll just keep checking on them. So for now I'm going to lower the lights back closer to the seedlings and call it a day. Have a good night.